Hi guys, my name's Trash, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add subtitles to your stream. We're not going to be using any widgets or plugins, simply using Google Chrome and OBS. So first up, we're going to want to go to Google Chrome and go to webcaptioner.com/captioner. I'll leave a link to this down below in the description. You're going to also want to make an account so it saves your settings, but I'm not going to do that because I already have an account with my settings saved. So you can change if you want to censor profane language or not. Anything else I wouldn't change here. You're going to want to go to the appearance and change the font to whatever font that you like. I'm going to use Roboto Condensed. Now, I'm not going to change the text color, but you can do that right here, simply because white will work just fine for what I'm going to be doing today. I personally like to align it in the middle and at the bottom, but you can pick any of these combinations that you would like. Now we're going to want to change the background color, and I'm going to choose a bright green, just because that'll be super easy for us to chroma key without needing to do any extra steps, and it's also something that we already learned in last week's video. So now that we've got all that set, we're going to press the X on the top right corner here, and we're going to start captioning. It is going to request the use of your microphone. Press allow, and now it will pick up your microphone and create subtitles that I would say are roughly 80% accurate. It all depends on if you have an accent or a strange dialect that it does not like. Now that we've done that, we're going to go on over to OBS, and we are going to add a window capture. Now I'm sorry if this flashbangs you with green, but we're just going to call this Subtitles. And right there it already grabbed Google Chrome. I'm going to turn off capture cursor, press OK, and now I'm going to hide it. Now you may want to crop it down to the size that you want, just to make things a little bit easier on yourself, but I already have those saved, like the transform that I need, so I'm going to paste that, and now you can see it. So now I'm gonna turn it on, right click, go to filters, and we are going to add a chroma key filter, and it's pretty much perfect the way that it is. I don't need to adjust anything, but you may need to depending on the font that you use, the color of text, or if you chose not to use green, but that can all be done right here. Hopefully you guys found that useful, and if you have any suggestions for other videos that you would like to be done, any tutorials or something that you need help with, simply leave a comment down below and I will do my best to create that video for you. Thank you, my name has been Trash, and I hope to see you guys around more.
Oh! I made it! Yo!
Holy shit!
Oh my god!